This USB 3.0 USB 3.1 Gen 1 USB-C to USB-B cable is the perfect solution for connecting a hard drive, hub, or other device that has a USB-B port to a computer, tablet or other device that has a USB Type-C port for USB 3.0 USB 3.1 Gen 1 communication. The color-coded USB Type-C connector allows this cable to be easily identified as a USB 3.0 USB 3.1 Gen 1 cable and differentiated from other cables which may support a different feature set. The USB Type-C connector is smaller than traditional USB connector and features a symmetrical design which allows it to be easily connected on the first try. Additionally, the durability of the USB Type-C connector allows for up to 10,000 connection cycles. This cable supports a data rate up to 5 gigabits per second for data transfer and sync with 5 volts and 1 amp of power for device operation and charging. Top reviews from the United States. Long and durable. It's perfect. I was looking for a long cable that directly attaches to my MacBook USB-C from my non-portable external hard drive behind the couch. Nothing in whole of Amazon could have meet my need other than this. And it's great speed and well built.